Do you have any tips for the battle?
So the tip for the contestant is simple: come prepared. You have a brief on our website. You have our brief is actually 80 kitsch glam, and you can do whatever you want, but that's the brief. This is the look we're looking for, and it's also the trend for 2020. So it's very glamorous, but it's also very extravagant. We have very loud color. As a designer, you can pre-prepare your design. So send us 3 to 5. Look on the website, and then we will select one, and then you have to figure out how to make that within 2 hours. So within 2 hours, the model have to be ready on the runway. For the stylist, you have again send us sketches or photography or picture, whatever you want to put together with one file look, and we will select that, and you come with all of your material. So that means you have to have all the clothes pulled, because this is real life. You have everything prepared for the client. So bring more than what you need. So if because there is a challenge and we may change something to the events. Makeup artist, you send us again 3 to 5 look. We will pull from it, and then those are the look you may be doing them on the event. Model, you have to walk in front of a casting agent. So you literally have to like one walk, and that's your challenge. But we have like 3 different challenge at the semi-final, which is on the 2nd, and the actual event is on the 23rd. You have 5 challenges, and some of the challenge we already told you what it is on our website. You know how to walk in high heel. Photographer send us your portfolio, and then you have 2 weeks after you shoot at the event, you can do whatever you want to make it look, very 80, very glam, and then from there you hand it in after you do your Photoshop. We would pick one picture, and everybody will be featured together on the magazine editorial.